Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Stella here, and right into this video I want to put you through the step-by-step process on how to download a video from TikTok directly to your mobile phone. Okay, so before I go ahead, I would like to ask that you kindly hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Okay, so first you need to search for the video you want to download. Okay, when you find the video you want to download like this, when you find the video you want to download, all you need to do is, you can see this arrow, you can see the share arrow right here by the left corner, by the bottom left corner. You can see the arrow. Okay, so what you're going to do is to just tap on the arrow. All the videos, they have this arrow. Okay, so at the bottom right here you can see report, not interested, save video. Just tap on save video. The video is already saving. You can see it's saving, and it's very fast in saving. Okay, it's saving. All right, so I'm not promoting anybody's video, but I'm just trying to make this video on how to save. Okay, it have saved. Okay, and right here you can just decide to share on WhatsApp, on Facebook. If not, just leave it. So let me go to my gallery and check if it has actually saved to my gallery. Okay, and I tap on my gallery. You can see that's the first video that appeared. You can see.
What to be your type
So
of
I
guy?
have saved the video. This is how to save
It's
video
happy,
from
give me your
TikTok
friend.
directly to your mobile phone. Okay,
They talk
so
rubbish now.
if you find this video interesting, kindly hit the subscribe button and join this wonderful family. Don't be a stranger, and click on the bell icon so you'll be the first to notify each time I upload a new video like this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye bye.